Good vendors are hard to come by, and by having a team like MVB in our back pocket has given us a competitive advantage that no one can equal.
We've worked with different engineers on and off over the course of time. None of them had the full grasp and understanding from an operator's perspective of what we needed, whereas MVB's been able to come in much more and be able to really understand our needs and provide alternate options as well too, things we didn't think about.
MVB has been very responsive to helping us prior to awarding business, just helping us with theory and hypothetical assembly techniques.
They're engineers, we're engineers. They have a different view looking at things from concept, definitely saving us a lot of time and a lot of money.
MVB has everything in-house. They're a one-stop. They have the mechanics, they have the welders, they have the design engineers, they have the installers, the electricians, everything to be able to get a project complete.
They had the ability to put themselves in the operator's position and to really make the equipment perform the way that it should from an operator's perspective, rather than just from a design side of it from a piece of paper.
MVB is very good at the value proposition and understanding what's important, but also what will be important long term.
The advantages are really numerous. We have shortened up cycle times, our quality has gone up. We're now able to measure and detect things that we never were before. The skill set is now lower than it used to be for what operators need to be trained to. It's really on all fronts, we're just so much better off. In this relationship, I hope it will continue for a long time.